functioning instead of disruptions over the Adani issue. Meanwhile, Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan further distanced himself from INDI Block's narrative by extending a key agreement with the Adani Group, signalling a pragmatic approach over political alignments. Opposition unity appears increasingly strained on this issue. We have some breaking inputs coming in. Now, the Trinamool Congress has taken a different stand, asserting that it does not consider Adani controversy a priority and is focused on ensuring the smooth functioning of Parliament. Breaking ranks with Congress and other INDI bloc allies, TMC believes Adani issue is not a priority. Clearly, there is a crack and it is evident now. Sabyasachi is getting us more details. At least on this particular issue, the TMC does not agree with Congress's strategy. According to TMC, this is not a priority. The Adani issue is not a priority and the House should be allowed to function. That's what the TMC is saying.
Well, that's right. See, the Trinamool Congress believes that the House should function, and they are of the stand that at certain matters, though question need to be asked to the central government, but first and foremost, they have to let the House to function. Now, all started when Mamata Banerjee called a meeting of the Trinamool Congress at her residence in Kolkata. Now, in that meeting, specific direction was given to all the MPs of the Trinamool Congress because the assembly polls in the state of Bengal is in 2026, and the by-poll result showed that Trinamool Congress got a clear-cut majority. Now, Mamata Banerjee emphasized that they should not go with the crowd and they should pitch for the state-specific issues like the 100-day money, which the Trinamool Congress has been alleging that the centre has not given, and other state-specific issues. Now, Trinamool Congress, with the meeting which had been called in by Mallikarjun Kharge at 10 a.m. of the parliamentary floor leaders, since the winter session has begun, the Trinamool Congress, in fact, have not joined the meeting. They, in fact, have called a separate meeting inside the parliament of their MPs, and they have discussed the state-specific issues. Now, Trinamool Congress...
All right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us.